Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the surface. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to ensure residual charge is released. Next, remove any cards and detach the keyboard so you have clear access. Use a Torx T5 to remove visible screws and a thin plastic pry tool to lift the lower chassis. Work slowly to avoid breaking clips. Once the base loosens, make sure to keep screws organized and note which ones came from each hole before moving to internal components. You now expose the battery pack and the connector. Identify the ribbon or plug connecting it to the motherboard and pry it up gently with a plastic tool. Never yank wires. Unscrew the battery cells in sequence and set screws aside in labeled groups to avoid confusion later. If adhesive holds the module, apply steady, even pressure while lifting straight up to prevent bending cells. Once free, place the old battery on an anti-static mat and prepare the replacement by aligning connectors and screw holes precisely. You fit the new battery into the bay, ensuring screw holes and connector orientation match. Reconnect the plug firmly while keeping pressure even. Reinstall screws in their original locations, tighten moderately, and snap the lower chassis back into place. Reattach the type cover and any cards, then boot the surface. Once powered, run a 20 to 30 minute calibration by charging to 100% and discharging to about 10% to confirm proper reporting. If it won't boot, reset the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.